Okay, welcome to this video where I am going to show you how to form quadratic equations. So this over here, I hope you will know. This here, where I'm pointing the arrows at, this is a quadratic equation. I'll be worried if you didn't know that that was a quadratic equation. And you can see here that I have factorized this quadratic equation. So I broke it down into its factors. And then we figured out what x is equal to in each of the factors. So in quadratic equations, we have two values for x. We have two numbers for x. So our value is 4 and our value is 2. Now in maths, we call these the roots, okay? The roots of a quadratic equation. So 4 and 2 are the roots of a quadratic equation. Now, today and on Friday, we are going to be forming quadratic equations, okay? So that means that I will be giving you the roots and you will have to form, you'll have to create a quadratic equation like this one. And this is the last topic we're going to do in algebra. And it's actually a really nice topic to finish on. It's not as difficult as the other one. And it's a real confidence booster. So I'm going to give you the roots. So for example, if I told you the roots were 3 and 6, okay? The roots are 3 and 6, and I want you to form a quadratic equation. Okay, I want you to make a quadratic equation. The first thing you do is you say x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 6. All right, so we're starting off, if you look at this sum over here on the left, we're starting at the bottom. Okay, now I want to move on to the next step, which is I want to have the 3 and the 6 on the other side of the equal sign. If you're using the old-fashioned method of carrying it over, you can do that. Or you can do it like this. You can say, okay, this is a plus 3, so I minus 3 to both sides. And this is a plus 6, so I minus 6 to both sides. That cancels, that cancels. So we have x minus 3 and x minus 6. Now we have our factors of our quadratic equation. So all we have to do now is multiply these two factors. We just have to multiply them. So let me get a different color pen. I'm going to multiply this x by this x, and then I'm going to multiply this x by this minus 6. I'm going to multiply this minus 3 by x, and I'm going to multiply this minus 3 by minus 6. So let's do that. X multiplied by x is x squared. X multiplied by minus 6 is minus 6x. Minus 3 multiplied by x is minus 3x. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 6 is minus by minus is a plus, and 3 6s are 18. Now we can simplify. We can simplify by adding or subtracting like terms. And I've just underlined them there. So we have x squared minus 6x minus 3x is minus 9x plus 18. And that is all we have to do. That is it. That is our answer. So it's a nice topic. And I am going to attach